If you're trying to decide between the Panasonic Lumix L10 and the OM system OM-3, here's the quick, honest breakdown after actually looking at both. The Lumix L10 feels like the easy everyday camera. It's got that built-in Leica 24-75mm lens, so you're not swapping glass, not overthinking it. It's compact, great for travel, and honestly, shines for video with 5.2K open gate, slow motion, and really nice in-camera color profiles. This is the one you grab when you just want to shoot and go. Now the OM system OM-3 is a different beast. This is for action, wildlife, and harsh conditions. The stacked sensor is insanely fast, you get crazy burst rates, and the 5-axis IBIS is class-leading. Plus, it's weather-sealed, so rain or dust isn't really a concern. So the simple takeaway, L10 for simplicity, travel, and video. OM3 for speed, durability, and serious photography.